Imagine opening your kitchen cabinet to find neatly stacked containers, spices at your fingertips, and no clutter. Insight sounds dreamy, right? Here's how you can turn this vision into reality with a few clever DIY tricks. Your kitchen is the heart of your home, but the clutter can make it feel like a battlefield. Containers without lids, spices scattered randomly, and overstuffed drawers make cooking stressful. Start by decluttering. Sort through everything, keep what you use, donate what you don't, and toss anything expired. Divide your kitchen into zones: cooking, prep, and storage. Use clear jars for spices and add uniform labels for a clean look. Install tension rods under the sink to hang cleaning sprays. Mount adhesive hooks on cabinet doors for measuring spoons. Repurpose an old magazine rack for cutting boards or foil rolls. A functional, organized kitchen not only saves time, but also makes cooking enjoyable. With these DIY solutions, you've created a space that works for you. What are you waiting for? Take the first step today and rediscover the joy of a well-organized kitchen.